I'm Tom Colicchio, and we're gonna roast some things right now. The most unnecessary kitchen tool in the whole creation of kitchen tools has gotta be that stupid little zester. You know that silly little thing that you drag across the lemon or the orange and it breaks all the citrus up instead of creating these nice long strips? Yeah, boom roast that. And the most overused ingredient, let me think for a second, because there's a few of them, but right now, one that I wanna see gone forever, the microgreens. These little tiny things, they don't have much flavor. Yeah, they look pretty, but you know what they need to be? They need to be boom roasted. The dinner party guests, you know, for me, I have a pet peeve every time I throw a dinner party. I give people a 5-minute warning, food's going to be ready. And there's always that one person who just gotta find something to do, sit around, looking around. It's like, sit down, or you're gonna get boom roasted. You know, what really frustrates me when I'm in my kitchen and you have a young cook and you're watching the young cook and you know they're making mistakes and you kind of go over there very nicely and say, hey, can I give you some pointers? Oh no, chef, I got it. No, you don't have it. You need to be boom roasted. You know one thing I like to roast? I want to roast every other roasting pan that's not made in. Boom roast them all.